Hi! Welcome to Mew Mew's ice cream truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome. Phew, I am... Rainbow Popsicle. These ingredients are needed for making the Rainbow Popsicle. Sugar, milk, flour, blender, There are so many flavors. Which one should we choose? Blueberry flavor, rainbow candy flavor, kiwi fruit flavor, pineapple flavor, cherry flavor, chocolate flavor. Let's pour the mixture into the mold. Pineapple, strawberry, blueberry, banana, cherry, kiwi fruit, Finally, let's decorate. Wow! The delicious Rainbow Popsicle is ready! The guests will love it! This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had! You can get truck decorations by making ice treats. The props are all here. Drag the props to make the truck more beautiful. Welcome! Hi, Mew Mew. I'd like to have a large portion of the ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Nuts can make the chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. Next, let's roast some more marshmallows and put them on top of the ice cream. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings. Wow, the ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready. Our customer must be very satisfied. Treats you have made are so delicious! It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow! We've unlocked a new prop!